guys, my name is MyLifeAsLoveline. You all are heartily welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're going to be making spinach stuffed chicken. It's very easy. Follow the steps carefully as we go along. First thing we're going to do is chop our spinach. Baby spinach. So we're going to chop all of this and put in a bowl. You could choose to chop it, you could choose to leave it whole. It depends on you. Put this in a bowl. The next thing to do is add some cheese to your bowl. So I have some mozzarella cheese here, and I'm going to be adding about a third cup of mozzarella cheese. I also choose to use some mozzarella, but you can substitute it with approximately 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So I'm just going to be using like a quarter of a cup. I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of maggi. So I'm going to be mixing everything up with my hands. Set this aside, guys. Get a clean chopping board and create an incision in between your chicken breasts. They call it the butterfly incision or so. I'm going to demonstrate with one and then you can do the rest. Carefully create an incision on the side or the middle part of your chicken breast. Don't cut through, guys. So this is it. Do that for the rest of the 3 chicken breasts. So after making an incision on the side of the chicken breast, we're going to use some paprika powder, both on the back and the inside of our chicken, chili powder. You can use garlic powder too. And I don't fail to use my black and white pepper. I love this, guys. And then a little bit of olive oil. Rub everything in. Guys, don't forget to add some salt to your chicken before stuffing. Okay, so the last step is to stuff your chicken breast. And remember what we already prepared, our spinach cheese combination. So we're going to put enough of it in our chicken breast. And to help everything stay in place, we're going to be using some toothpicks to hold the sides of the chicken breast. Like this. Do this for the rest of your chicken and transfer everything onto a baking pan. This is my baking pan. So I'm just going to lay everything in the baking pan like this. See you guys later. And bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 35 minutes maximum. See you guys later. So guys, I present to you our spinach stuffed chicken breast straight out of the oven. This can be good for dinner with some baked potatoes. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.